owe you 5 pesos. Ayo, Stefan. Thank you. You mean to tell me that you've got a thing that... What time are you going home?
2 or 3, sir.
Oh, okay. Very nice. Man, there's 2 chairs.
Thank you for that, sir. Thank you, sir.
I won't come back a bit later and I won't. Okay. Thank you. What a nice vendor. Just stand at the corner here. Oh, it's not too busy. Not too busy. It's okay. Gonna stand over here just a bit out of the rain because it's raining now. Noi, come here.
Salamat po.
Come here. I cannot see if anybody is on here, and so if somebody is sending a message, my apologies. I just can't see it. Aha. Wel, Choma, as jy op is, ek is jammer. Miskien moet jy 'n comment op die stream sit, want ek kan nie vir een of ander rede dink ek as ek niks op my app op die oomblik, ek kan nie sien of iemand op is of iemand hier skreeu jaaitjie, so ja, excuse man. Like I say, I cannot see who's on, so put something in the comments. I don't know if I can receive it. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I must restart the app. It's rainy. There's a typhoon. Typhoon is coming. It will hit us probably by Saturday or Sunday, which is strange. It's not typhoon weather, but yeah, everything is different and weird. The Philippines, the capital of scooters. Hey Cabos, how are you, my buddy? Hey, how I miss Q10 and Segerut in our house. Yeah, I get stuck. Cabos is from Zambia. Okay, this is Naga City in the Philippines. I can't go far. It's raining, so I can basically go here, but I can go across the road and yeah, just check here. It's just vendors, and I've got a bad injury on my foot, so I can't really walk much. But let's do this. I do yives basically every day, but for some reason there's 2 days I didn't. Yeah, let's go. See, the cars won't stop for you. Check the tricycle. Check hier so. Fucking tricycle. Awesome. And this is the vendor. Amazing what they do. Hey bro, check this out. A motorfiets takes a motorbike, puts a cart on, and you buy food. This is sweet. Very sweet. Very awesome. Maar hier kan gewoon, hè? Gewoon. Sien, hier zo gaan die vendors oor ons en dit is amazing. Jy kan enige straatgoede soos koop, so jy kan kos koop, jy kan koeldranke koop. Oh yes, this is the Philippines. The beauty of the Philippines. This is Naga City. Now I do yives every day. Yeah, be sure to check it out. And this is Robinson's Place shopping center, but it's closed now. It's not open. Oh shit! Almost tripped. Almost broke my ankle. So as you can see, this place is called the Robinson's Place. The famous train all over the Philippines, basically. So yeah, it is quite awesome. Let's take a walk that side. And I won't turn around and walk back again. The rain seemed to have stopped. I think Robinson's closes at... sorry Paul. Robinson's, it closes at 10.
Sir, it's closed up.
Yeah, but what time do they close?
9 p.m.
Ah, 9
Yes,
p.m.
po.
Okay, thank you. There's a ingat. Yeah, so they close at 9. The shopping center here. It is a nice one actually. Now, I don't know if you can see, it's a bit dark. But yeah, it's cool. It's like Shakey's is there. You can get some food. Yeah, awesome. You'll find your security guards everywhere there also. I don't know the name of this road actually. Seems to be a bit busy one. That one goes to Central. I'm gonna stand here, but check what's happening here. Perhaps we can take a walk to the other side also. It is quite nice. Scooter gangs. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. Hey Choma, ek dink iets het nou reg gekom hier, so want nou kan ek sien as mense op en ek kan jou boodskap ook sien. Weet jy wat? The Philippines is nice, it's not bad. Obviously a bit of a culture shock when you see some things that you don't usually see in other countries, but yeah, it's not bad. Very hot though. It's humid, Jack. Very humid. It's very humid. You know, it's like there's no winter time also. It's just hot every day. And typhoons and all kinds of stuff. Maybe I must walk around there. Yeah. Idiota. Humidity is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing. Infections, a lot of stuff. And it's hot, man. I'm talking about it's super hot. It's in the Philippines you say sobrang mainit. So yeah, it's hot. It's very hot. But yeah, humidity is good. But I'm not gonna, I would enjoy a bit of winter time, you know, where it's not that hot. It's super hot here. And in Zambia, how's it in Zambia? And I wonder if Ivan is on. He's in South Africa. Okay, kom ons een beetje hier af. I think we need to take a seat. Nice. If you say hot and humid, do you get a winter in Zambia? I don't even know. Do you get like winter time, summertime, or just summer? I mean, here in the Philippines it's summer. You get a rainy season, but most of the time it's summertime. And the house is Esau. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining. It's a quiet stream tonight, I see, but it's fine. Haas en suikerriet en stok. Almal is hier so. Ons mis vir duimspyker. Ja. Let's get a soft drink over there. Ja, 94.fok my FM. let's just get something to drink over the road. You know what? I'm gonna get a coffee. Screw this. Let me show you how you get a coffee here. So easy. En hierso kom ek wys vir jou wat van hier aan. That is most definitely a man. Here's get a coffee. Dis wat jy baie hierso sien. Daai eenraai. Stop. Oh, suikerriet. Can I get a coffee? This one. You know, yes. Okay, so this is how you get a coffee. Check this one. You go and pak coffee hier so. Dat maakt zo ongeveer. En she makes it. Very cool. Hey, thank you so much, bro. You check here. Get your coffee. Wait till we go there by the table. Yeah. Macano po. 20 peso. Okay, so for a coffee, you don't pay 20 peso. 20 peso is, as je een rand gaan. So, how much is 20 peso in rand? I can say 6 rand. In dollar, oh wow, probably 30 cents. So much more. Ingat. Bayi ka ko, ne? They do get shy. Hey Jeff, how are you, my friend? How are you? Yeah, a coffee. And check here, I'm gonna show you on something. Check how nice the policemen are here. Extremely friendly. Hey, how are you, sir? How are you guys? Good, good. They will always greet you. Yeah, it's a nice coffee. It's a 3-in-1. Not my favorite one. But yeah. Jeff, I'm in Naga City. I'm in Naga City at the moment. Check this vendor. Check how nice this is. You can get anything. Hey brother man, how are you guys? Check here. Intestines, you can get all kinds of beautiful things. Okay. But it's a weekday, so it is quiet. It's definitely not busy. That I can say. Hey John, how are you, my buddy? My brother from America. Yeah, Jeff, it's quite peaceful. It's peaceful. My signal is a bit bad, but yeah. Hey, how are you, my friend? How are you, Naori? Hey, Junko. Sorry, it's difficult to pronounce the name. Very difficult to pronounce the name. Oh, thank you, Jeff. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Maybe it's just a good evening. Maybe it's a good evening. I don't know. But yeah, much appreciated for that. Kinda makes me want to talk more. thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. Much appreciated. Thank you. It really does help my stream. Yes, if you go right past Troyeby, you will find yourself a McDonald's. And a police station right there. I don't know what this place though is, but it says there the Banco Centrum Philippines. I don't know what that is. I've got no idea. Jeff, I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. I don't know if there's a night market. I'm sure there might be a night market somewhere. But I think it's weak, you know. I think it's more quiet because it's a weekday. Neil, what is Sayidas? I'm not sure I do understand what you're saying there. I'm not quite sure I understand, my friend. I'm sorry. Hey, brother McDaniel. Are you on? My brother from the States. Ah, okay. Banco Centro. So this is a bank. I didn't know that. Interesting. I honestly did not know that. Ah, Neil, my buddy, you must go to bed then. Go to bed. And then, yeah, tomorrow when I do a live, you're welcome to join again. We can have a nice conversation. Ek weet nie of Kabous nog op is nie. My buddy, always ask me and I'll pin it for you. I'll pin another one for you if you want. No troubles at all. Much appreciated for you being part of my channel. Check out como this is. Bye, Diori, my buddy. Have a good evening. Oh, so that's actually where they make the money. Oh, is this just for circulation in Naga? Or is this for circulation in the Philippines? Or is it mostly just for Naga City? Like for the Bicol region, you know, like, yeah, this is quite interesting. I didn't know. But I'm happy I know now. Oh, wow. But I wonder now if this is the only one who does make it, or there's probably more of this Banco Central places. Pretty sure that it's not just this one. Interesting, maybe that's why there's so many guards here. Quite nice. Now we know where to get fresh money. Okay, let me take a walk this side. Much respect for the vendors. Okay, I didn't know that. Wow, how happy I am that you are actually on to give me this information. Yeah, this is quite nice. I didn't know that. So much things I don't know about the Philippines, but I'm earning every day. I earn a bit more. So yeah, thank you, my buddy. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing for me. Now I know. Good evening, guys. You wanna say hi? You're so happy to say something, but
Okay.
yeah, now you're shy. Say hi, man.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Good evening, guys. Have a good one. Hey, yo, bro, before you go, how are you, my brother? This is Mr. Ryan, all the way from America. For everybody watching, he's one of the biggest reasons that I can actually do my live streams. If it's not for him, yeah, it would have been very bad for me. So yeah, everybody, a shout out to Go Before You Go. God is good, guys. Like I say, God is good. Okay, as you walk, you don't see scooters everywhere. It's yeah, Jeff. You know, I always try to greet them, and I'm practicing my channel, so I do try to engage with people and stuff, you know. So, but for the most part, people are very friendly. It's very rare to find somebody that's gonna, you know, be rude to me or something. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very happy with it. And good news is that my channel has been picking up very good. Soon I won't be able to have my super chats on. Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm pushing my channel now, guys. I'm pushing it, and thank you for the thumbs up, everybody. For me, the challenging part is, you know, that when officials see you, they probably think that Kabous Pieterse, my broeder, baie hier vir jou. Dankie dat jy op die chat was. What is the challenging part for me in Naga? Well, I would say it's just seeing officials, you know. Sometimes they can look at you because of all the nuisance streamers nowadays. You know, like Vitaly started this whole thing. So, you know, I'm always trying to be just respectful so that they can see I'm not here to, by any means, judge the country or do bad things or harass people. You know, I try to keep it clean and I try to keep it respectful. Then I would say weather. Weather is bad. Obviously power, when it's hot, the phone like can shut down and restart, so it does mess up with my streaming. What else? I don't know. It's maybe to show people stuff that's interesting, you know. Like now I've got a bit of I've got an injury, so I still push myself to walk and show you guys stuff, even though it's really difficult at the moment. But yeah, it's good. I don't think it's really challenging, but that's some of the challenges you might find. And people, you know, it's sometimes so busy, and people always coming asking you for stuff, and they, like, especially the children, you know, the beggars, they will sometimes harass you. But yeah, that's about it. But otherwise, I think it's good to stream here. It's nice. People are friendly. You know, Bikuyanos are very friendly people. So yeah. Karen. It's just my foot. Kabous, it's maar net my foot wat bietjie seer is, jong. Jy weet, dis nou nie ernstig nie. But yeah, Jeff, as you say, there's not a lot of Karens. The other day though, I went inside a shop. I wanted to see some shoe prices and stuff to get myself a pair of shoes. And as I walked in, very strange, I was very respectful. Ayopo, and walking in, and I said, can I come inside? Because I've got the gimbal in my hand, I do always try to ask permission, you know, like, may I enter your store? I don't want to just go in and then basically they feel offended or something. And she just shook her head like, no. And I was like, okay, well, bye-bye then, you know. That was a Karen, definitely. But that's like 1 in 100 people, I would say. That can be a bit weird. for the most part, people are very friendly, and when they see the camera, like, hey, shout out, they want a shout out or welcome to my vlog, you know. But now when they do it, I turn the camera to them and say, hey, say hi guys, say hi. And they do quite enjoy it. Some of them are very shy, they will like hide themselves. But for the most part, they're quite happy to be on. So that's good, I'm happy about it. Like just now when the two officers walked past me, you know, I can see that they are more of the older type, they're not young, so I was like, hey guys, you know, like respectful. I could see that they were like, you know, kind of looking at me thinking probably like, are you one of those streamers, you know? So basically, yeah, I try to always show that I'm not here to do harm, you know. I came to stream here, my buddy. I came to do a stream. I know somebody who came besides, so I just came with. So yeah, I just came for a stream. You know, I'm trying to do a live like every day. And for the most part, I've been very consistent. I need to push my watch hours because unfortunately this is how I do make, you know, I do make money off it. And yeah, I'm trying to push it now to get my stats up and my watch time hours up. But I'm also very happy to do my live streams, you know, to show people. And it's raw and authentic. There's no acting involved. Yeah, so that's good. I'm very much happy about it. Hey, where you running off to, man? He's got a vendor there. Oh, my friend, I'm not too far off. I must actually go and see the stats. I try to not look at it every day because, yeah, I try to look at it every week. But I'm not far off, you know. I went in a bit of a dump the other day, like a while back, and I didn't really do much on my streams. But yeah, for the past, I would say 4 weeks, I've been very consistent, and yeah, it's going good. It's going good, man. It's really going good. But Jeff, where in the Philippines are you? Because you seem to know this part very well. Oh yeah, I'm halfway. Yes, I'm over halfway. I'm almost there, my friend. I'm almost there. I hope I reach it soon. Like I really do. Oh wow, let me just get out of this rain. You know, there's a typhoon coming. I think it's gonna hit us probably by tomorrow. So yeah, let me show you all the rain. Let me just get out of it. Oh yes, my friend, you know, it's every day. I just do it. I'm consistent. I'm not, yeah, I just hope for the best, you know. So I stream and do my things. I've got some videos that I have to post. Yeah, I won't get there, you know. I won't definitely get there. I think from a lot of people making videos, I'm at least one of the good ones that don't do harm, you know. I try to be as respectful as I can. Sometimes I do point out bad things, but every country in the world has bad things. It's not just the Philippines. for the most part, Filipinos are very nice people. Yeah, I won't probably stream for another 10 minutes because it's getting wet. Yes, it is. It is, but I'm very happy to be here, you know. It feels like the Philippines accept me. Most of the people, they are very welcoming, they friendly people. That makes it good, you know. Even though you see some stuff here, you know, like poverty and stuff, it doesn't change the fact that the people are very welcoming and they're very friendly. They will always want you to kahin taho, let's eat, and you know, it is nice. It is quite a special country actually. I think home is where you make it, you know. Anywhere in the world you can go, you can be happy or sad. And the other day, a very good friend of mine sat me down and had a word with me, and you know, kind of gave me a bit of an ass kicking. And yeah, since that day I've been basically doing my thing, and I'm not sad about it, and yeah, I chose happiness. So yeah, I'm very grateful to have special people in my life that, you know, is always there for me, and that makes it special. Fashion code, oh, in Manila there's a big festival. Interesting. What festival is there, my friend? What festival is there now? Stirring Copper Pot. What an interesting name. Hi to you. How are you, my friend? That's a very interesting name. Stirring Copper Pot. Never heard that before. That is quite nice. I do enjoy that. You know, there's a lot of festivals in the Philippines actually. They're all over the show. There's a lot of them. It is nice. I do enjoy it. Yes, that is true. That is true, Jeff. That is very true. And you know, I think they enjoy me by now. Like when people see me, you know, I used to be very shy about cameras as well, but unfortunately I have to do what I do, so I broke through that barrier, and now I'm getting much more comfortable and also dealing with people, you know. As I walk, I show them respect, to be like, they mustn't think that I'm, you know, one of those guys that wanna make people like embarrass them and make jokes and stuff. I don't do those things. So yeah, I think if you show respect, you won't get respect back, and that is that is special, you know. It's amazing. Hey, still in Copperfield, hi again, and everybody, thank you for liking my stream. I do appreciate it. It does help me a lot. Much appreciated. You know what I do enjoy about the Philippines is, even if it rains, you'll see people out doing their thing. They're out and about. They're not really worried about the rain. Oh, you know what? That guy is such an idiot. I would never do those things, you know. That's why I'm actually quite hesitant sometimes to, oh, look at that truck, it's got eyes on it. That's why I'm hesitant sometimes with videos, you know, especially showing when you do things for other people, like when you, for instance, yeah, whenever you do something for someone, I don't really want to show it because people feel embarrassed, and that Vitaly made a lot of drama for people. And it's actually a shame because not everybody who does streaming is actually there to show bad things. Most people want to show good things. So yeah, that guy kind of ruined it for many people. But yeah, screw him, you know, he's a bad guy. He's a bad guy. Yes, my friend, it's raining, Jeff. I think the typhoon is coming, you know. It will probably be here in the next 2 days. I saw the windy app. And then it's, yes, the typhoons, no power again only. You know the story in the Philippines. But I don't think it's a super typhoon, you know, it's just a normal typhoon. And I think when I saw the app, it kind of misses us, it doesn't hit us directly. So I think we will just experience some wind and rain because it's a low area, a low pressure area. I think it's going to be good. I don't think it's going to be bad. Maybe just some wind and rain. I'm not too far away, so that's good, my friend, that's good. I'm just hiding from the rain now. Oh no, this battery of mine. It's gonna die soon, and it's wet. But yes and yeah, my friends, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the stream. I'm gonna see if I can stream in a moment. I just wanna see if I can get like a power bank going and all those things. And in the wetness, it's a bit of a problem. But I won't definitely be live later again, or tomorrow definitely I'm gonna be live again. Again, thank you for everybody who's watching. Much appreciated. Thank you for the thumbs up, and thank you for everybody who subscribes. Yeah guys, it does help my channel. Much appreciated. And may God be with all of us, especially on this weekend. And we will speak again soon. That's that. Have a good evening, everybody. Have a good evening. Bye. Jeff, my friend, thank you for being on. You also. Yes, we won't speak soon. We won't speak soon. Later on, if I do a stream and you're on, you're welcome to join up again, or tomorrow. Much appreciated. Okay. Have a good evening, everybody. Goodbye.